life can be overwhelming. The constant hustle and bustle of the city, the never-ending stream of notifications, the pressure to always be on. It's enough to make anyone feel stressed, suffocated even. But when the weight of the world becomes too much to bear, I have a sanctuary. A place where I can escape the chaos and find solace in the stillness. For me, that sanctuary is nature. There's something about the way the sunlight filters through the leaves, the sound of birdsong echoing through the trees, that instantly calms my racing mind. Here, surrounded by the beauty of the natural world, I can breathe again. I can let go of the worries and stresses that weigh me down, and sometimes all it takes is a walk in nature to remind me of what's truly important. To reconnect with myself and the world around me. In the midst of chaos, I seek refuge in the simplicity of nature. Each step I take brings me closer to a sense of peace. A reminder that there is beauty in the world, even when it feels elusive. It's easy to lose sight of the small miracles that surround us every day. But out here, away from the distractions of the city, I'm reminded of the magic that exists in the natural world. Nature has a way of putting things into perspective. It reminds me that life is a cycle, a constant ebb and flow of growth, decay, and renewal. I feel a sense of clarity wash over me, a clarity that can only be found in the embrace of nature. Here, amidst the beauty of the world, I find myself anew. For in nature's embrace, I am free.